The English language has 6 syllable types. In Texas, our first graders are responsible for learning 5 of the 6 syllable types. They learn closed, vowel consonant E or magic E, open, R-controlled, and vowel tone syllables. The only syllable type they do not learn in first grade is the consonant LE, also known as the final stable syllable. So you might wonder, why are we teaching syllable types? Why do our TEKs include syllable types in the language of syllable types? Well, one of the reasons is that recognizing the syllable types is going to help the reader decode the vowel sound. Often, the vowel sound is the most difficult part of the word for the reader. And if we want fluent readers, they need to be able to decode quickly and move on. And knowing that syllable type will help their eye decide what syllable it is, and therefore what is the vowel sound, and be able to decode that word. Also, syllable knowledge gives a reader the power to read and spell more complex words. When they get to longer words, even in first grade, reading multisyllabic words, and on second grade, third grade, and up, once they know the ins and outs of the syllable type, they can not only decode multisyllabic words faster, but students who are taught the 6 syllable types explicitly also have better spelling skills. So let's talk about closed syllables. This is what we get into right away in first grade. It's a review from kindergarten. What makes a syllable a closed syllable? A closed syllable has one vowel. Let's look at the word dot. Yes, it has one vowel. It ends with at least one consonant. The vowel is closed in at the end, is what I like to tell students, because it helps them remember closed syllable, it's closed in at the end with a consonant. So that means with the closed syllable, the student will know that the vowel is going to make a short sound. So that O says ah, the word is dot. You might be thinking of these as CVC words. CVC words are closed syllables, but that's not the only type. So let's look at the word hitch. It has a trigraph at the end. The TCH says ch. So it has 3 consonants. It doesn't matter how many consonants at the end, as long as the vowel is closed in by at least one consonant. So that I is going to say I. It is a closed syllable. The word is hitch. Another example would be a word that starts the vowel. This is still a closed syllable because it has at least one vowel. That vowel is closed in at the end of the word. It doesn't matter if it starts with a consonant. It only matters if it ends with a consonant. So that I is short. It's a closed syllable. The word says itch. One of the biggest mistakes that we make in teaching phonics to our early readers is that we forget that they can start reading multisyllabic words as soon as they master closed syllables. Let me show you an example. The word muffin is a great one to start with. Any word that has 2 closed syllables can easily be decoded by a reader that is confident with closed syllables. I would start by splitting the word, like I did on this example, and show them that 2 smaller syllables can make up a longer word. So look at the first part of that word, muff. We know that the U says because it is a closed syllable. It has at least one vowel. It ends with at least one consonant, and it has a short vowel sound, so it says muff. Same thing with the second word part. We know it's going to be a short vowel sound because it's a closed syllable. One vowel sound that ends with at least one consonant. Then you show them how to put those word parts together, muffin. Another really fun one for early first grade is the word fantastic. Again, a word with all closed syllables put together, and you can separate those out and show them how to put them together. Another really fun activity, and it could be even a station, are syllable matchups, where you have colored cards with these types of syllables where they can match the closed syllables to make a longer word. So you would have muff and fin on separate cards that they're matching. Fantastic that they're matching. So I hope that this helps you include this vocabulary into your phonics instruction. Remember that our Texas TEKs do ask that students are able to read and write closed syllables, and any way you can incorporate that language as you teach will help them be stronger and better readers.